parts out here. We in the Chicago area. We got that SRT. This bad boy looking nice. We got that matte, what, Sterling gray, some type of. Whoa, what is going on right here? We got the RC out here. It's lit out here tonight. It's getting wild. As you already know. You already know we gotta get.
Oh man!
You gonna be out here? You gonna park your car right in the middle? Who you think you is, man?
Man, I'm just gonna park it right there.
Park this whole car right there. Cameras out here, bro. I don't even need my camera. I just gotta get to one of y'all. Oh snap! Cops could rolling through now. The dude in the burner. Let me also not forget to tell y'all that it's damn like 20 degrees out here, and it's lit as fuck. What up, my boy? You made it out here. You gonna fucking spin it for us for the one time or what? Charger or what? That thing sound good. That's a hell of a burnout he got right there. That thing sound good and a hell of a burnout. There'll never be any cooler cops in Chicago just chilling at the beach. Every single week of the year, every single week, no matter how many times they try to stop it, everybody coming back down here. They just chilling. They gonna get them. They can't chase in Chicago from what I heard. They can't chase. So, cause it's bad out here when people taking off. Y'all seen that Hellcat video. He was going through these streets. So once they see somebody doing donuts or some burnouts, then they gonna give them a ticket. But other than that, there's too many cars out here to be chasing them. Got my boy Lauren and a yes, sir. He got the handles with it now. We got 3 cars in a circle. We got a drone right there. Snap. Looks like we got the 392 about to do some donuts, man. Out here, we got two of them. Mopods. They just about to line it up. Nice two colors out here for the mixed match. I done missed it. Everybody keep getting in the middle, messing up the damn donuts. Acting like they some professionals out here. Look at my boy Montanoke, he about to get wide and spin this one. Right in the middle, bro. Look at that dude. All right. We made it down into the circle now. We getting wild. Oh. Where the camera at? You gotta be recording right now, boy. We got 4 cars in here. We got hella motherfuckers. Some shit's gonna go wrong. Half of these dudes can't even spin it out here. Out the window shit on, but if they fall, it's on them. They gonna get should never done it. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. That's what all y'all say. Hold up. Whole cop. They got a big ass cop truck out there. Leave, go some other way. Y'all tweaking, man. The cops can't get in that way. See, I don't know why the hell they brought this whole ambulance looking ass cop car out here. Then they brought this thing in, everybody started getting to tweaking. We over here with the boy Zach, always coming in clutch, helping me out. You know, he coming in clutch. I played a role, I played an act in a music video, but a couple of weeks ago. I'm gonna put the link right up here. Make sure y'all go check it out. Run that video up. I played the act of like the X. Basically, go check that out, run that video up, and then come back to this video or vice versa. And I know I have not spoken to y'all in a long time. They had my car for literally 2 weeks. They fixed it. Oh snap! They put the fender on too. They put the fender on. Damn, hell yeah! And the freaking color, as many of y'all might not think or just have like anxiety of a paint shop having the correct color of the car. The fender, right? They put the fender on. Thankfully, I mean, I didn't even know that they were gonna put the fender on. They went ahead and put it on already. And then y'all remember the dent that was up here? That thing is completely gone. But yes, as you can see, it's snowing right now. We've been having blizzards, snowstorms for the past 2 weeks, so that's why I haven't been having any videos yet. We're looking good. Let's go get this payment and stuff situated. Here we got the Gt500 bumper. They're buffing out some dust spots and everything. And the paint is looking very good on here. I mean, I can't show you guys too much, but they're not done with the bumper yet. Y'all know these Gt500 bumpers look amazing on the Mustangs. That's 197, so we're doing a conversion. More details will be after everything is done. Also right here, we got my rocker panel. They re-sanded this whole thing down and they repainted the whole thing. It got a little dust on here right now, but this is done. We got the rocker molding, rocker panel. Molding is really what it's called, but we got this all done. They're gonna finish up my bumper. Finish painting that. We got the fender on already. We got everything here. It's snowing. We can't really show you too much now. Catch me in the next clip. Next day, I'm gonna come and get the bumper and everything. So, bam. It's the next day, and we got the Gt500 bumper chilling up in here. We're about to get this thing out. We went on a shopping spree. Let's get to it. We got them all right here. So right here, what's in this box? It's not even that heavy. In this box, I honestly forgot. I think it's the Gt500 lower grill. And then we got the upper grill right here still. I've had this recently. I had this when the accident happened and they popped out. All the clips are still intact. I'm lucky for that. We got some BMR lower control arms in this box. We're actually gonna get those installed today, but I'm gonna do that in another video. BMR, as you can see right there, lower control arms. And in this long box right here, I think this is, I got a Gt500 wing. Yep, I got that Gt500 wing. It's not painted yet though. I didn't get it painted yet because I want to do that closer to the spring. But I had to get that Gt500 wing simply because, I don't know, I just said screw it, I'm about to get everything. We got some fog lights right here. We got the Gt500 fog lights we're going to throw in the car as well. And then we also got the Gt500 front splitter. We got a new splitter coming for the car. So these are all this front end stuff for the car that we got right now. Really excited to put these on. Also, I can't forget about this box right here. I have fog lights as well. These fog lights are the like V6 GTCS fog lights. These were for the stock bumper. Now, until I had these fog lights ready to put on for a stock bumper until I got into the accident. So now these things are brand new, haven't even touched them. So if any of you are looking for some V6 or GTCS fog lights, comes with everything in here, the wiring pits and everything. Just hit me up, DM me on Instagram at Tdurrgt, or I don't know, check the link in bio. If you want them, hit me up. I'm gonna post them up for sale. Today we're gonna throw on the bumper, the upper grill, I think the lower grill as well, the fog lights. That's gonna be it for today because I don't want this video to be going so long. Other than that though, in the next video we're gonna be throwing on the BMR lower control arms. We're gonna throw them on today, but that's gonna be the next video to plan it out.